channel Momming Around, and I'm so excited for today's video because my favorite beauty brand Plum is on cloud 9. Yes, India's first 100% vegan beauty brand is turning 9 and I'm so happy for them. I have seen their incredible journey and I wish a very happy birthday to them. Plum is turning 9, so it's obvious there will be some goodness for you all. Yes, there is a exciting massive sale is going on their website plumgoodness.com from 30th June to 6th July, and I'm sure you do not want to miss this birthday bash because there's going to be a huge up to 50% off on all your beauty essentials. Also, I'm so excited to receive this exclusive PR package from Plum itself, so it's time to unbox this. So let's see what's inside. The first product is my absolute favorite Plum BodyLovin Body Oil Vanilla Vibes. I have already used it and I was about to purchase the new one, so I'm glad that I got this one. This oil is a blend of 9 ultra nourishing natural oils with soothing vanilla notes. It's oil your skin to look supple, happy and glowing, and its fragrance is irresistibly sweet. Next one is this Plum Niacinamide face serum. This is 5% niacinamide face serum, and let's check what's inside. So the packaging is like this and it looks so good. I really wanted to try this one. This 5% niacinamide face serum helps in clearing blemishes and improve skin texture, and also this is for all skin types and it is beginner friendly, and it helps in nourishing your skin, and it is a blend of 8 essential oils and rice water. So it will make your skin clear, smooth, and it will keep it hydrated, and it's very simple to use. You just have to pat in the serum and you can use it day and night. And also don't forget to do the patch test before use. Now the third product is this Plum Matte in Heaven liquid lipstick, and the shade is Cinnamon Paw. Okay, so this looks gorgeous to me, and look at the brush also. This is so nice and so easy to apply, and I'm just loving the shade, and it is obviously 100% vegan, skip the toxic, and it is also cruelty free as the brand claims. Now it's time for a little secret. Plum is giving away at least 9 plums if you order above 2000 rupees. So do not wait and head over to their website and fill in your carts. But stop. Before placing your order, I have exciting news for you all. You can use this code HBDPLUM and get an extra 10% off on your order. And link of all the products which I just received from Plum has been given in the link, so you can buy those also. And also, if you like to watch such videos, then do not forget to subscribe to this channel. Till then, bye bye.